As we prepare for a new week, I wanted to come and show you some of the trades that we took that were, you know, very profitable and on point. And so, of course, this is our trade of the week, and we're on TradingView so that you can know that this is not manipulated. I'm going to talk to you and show you what we thought, why we took the trades, um, and let you see how we did with our goal and our expectations were with these trades and how they were met or unmet. But let's look at Euro USD, and we believe that this pair is going to be a beautiful pair to trade this week. We believe the euro is only going to get stronger. Okay, and so here we trade smart money institutional way. All right, and of course we have a prophetic pip strategy that we have a sauce that most people who even teach institutional and smart money concepts don't understand and don't know. All right, there's particular things that we look for. However, I can't exactly give you all the sauce because of our students that are paying students. That wouldn't be fair and right to them. And so what I want to do is I just want to give you a brief explanation. All right, well, first of all, we looked at this area here. All right, from here, the gray box, the gray shaded area that we made was an imbalanced area. We knew that the market had to go and fill the imbalance, and so that was number one. And so for us, we had two profit objectives. One, our first profit objective was here, and our second was here. And as we saw the market moving, we decided, you know what, we'll just do a third profit objective because we believe that the market is going to come and take out these areas of liquidity right here. So as we're analyzing the market from the left, we're making notes and understanding how the market moves, especially if you want to be on the side of the institutional trading style. Then you have to give this thought you have to go with the concept of understanding, okay, hey, the market has to fill liquidity gap, the liquidity voids, fair value gaps. It has to take out areas of liquidity because that's the way the market moves. The market needs liquidity to move. And if you can spot the areas of liquidity on a market, then you can be profitable. You can be on point. All right, so why wouldn't the market go down here? Because what we recognize is that there were more fair value gaps or voids in this area here, and there was more liquidity up at this area here that the market would possibly want to mitigate. All right, and so let's see how this played out. Again, this is trading view, and we cannot manipulate this. And so we're showing you real trades, not something that we made up, not something that was, edited, not something that was manipulated. We're showing you real trades. And so let's see how this trade did. Boom, boom. We were just a couple pips shy of hitting profit objective 3. All right, profits objective 3, but we've already seen and we're already prepared for what this week is going to bring with this pair, and we're looking forward to trading this pair this week. So this was GBP USD. I have Euro USD in the title. I'm sorry, that's the only mistake we have here, but this is GBP USD and not Euro USD. All right, guys, and so yeah, beautiful trade of the week. All right, we'll show you one more. Let's go to GBP CAD. All right, with this trade, we were able to maximize on almost every leg of this trade. Notice that even before the market began, we looked at key areas, and again, we look for liquidity voids, we look for liquidity points on the charts, we look for imbalance on the charts, and we noticed that this pair was ranging for quite a while. This is a 4-hour chart. We noticed that this pair was ranging for quite a while, and so we had an idea that this pair would have possibly break the range this week. And if it did break the range, we had a note here that if it breaks and closes above on a retest, we want to buy it. All right, because we knew that this was a strong area, and if price happened to break it, retest it, then we would possibly see buys on this. And so we were able to really capitalize on the GBP CAD. And so let's see how that did. Boom. I want you to notice this. Even before it happened, we were able to pinpoint. That's why we call it prophetic pips. We were able to pinpoint exactly what the market was going to do before it even did it. and we were able to maximize this entire leg here. It was a beautiful, beautiful trade. So those were our trades of the week, guys. We hope that you were blessed by these trades, and yeah, I mean, you know, it was just beautiful. This trade here, USDJPY, we thought that the market was going to come up right away, but the market still wanted to go ahead and hit an order block and mitigate that order block before coming up, and so we didn't see that, but yet, you know, it still hit our target there. So we did enter a bit early. We got stopped out, but then when we saw that the market had mitigated this order block, we entered right about here, and boom, we were able to maximize on the USDJPY trade. So many other trades that we have that we make private. So follow us on TradingView. We do have some public trades that we post so that you can actually see how we trade. Like this trade here, for instance, this is a let's see, the GDP cat was a public trade. We've got, you know, other public trades that we post, and so, you know, GDP cat here, next public trade, and then of course we had this one that you may have seen in other videos, where all of our profit objectives have been hit. All right, and of course we maximize every leg of these trades. Every leg of these trades, we maximize them. All right, guys, those were our trades of the week. We looked at GBP USD. The title, I have to change that. GBP USD, and we looked at GBP CAD. If you're interested, by the way, in joining Prophetic Pips, if you're interested in how we trade the markets, if you're interested in learning smart money concept, institutional trading the right way, we want you to join Prophetic Pips. Hit us up on our website. Link is in the description. All right, peace and love, guys, and we look forward to seeing you at the Prophetic Pips family and at the Prophetic Pips Academy.